Steven, we got the Grinch in here.
We'll change some oil.
Yeah, we're gonna change the oil and the Grinch.
So it's a 13mm drain plug.
Yep.
Oil filter's gonna be from underneath. You're gonna need a drain pan and 13mm wrench.
Yep. And this is the 5.7. Here.
Coming underneath. Right there. So, transmission pan. Don't drain this one. Oil pan. Oil filter location is gonna be on the front of the engine. Is the easiest place to access it. All right, so there's the oil filter, black with the sticker. So screw that off to the left. This is America. Sometimes they can be tough, and you can use a pair of pliers like what I'm gonna hand this out and let Brandon show the pliers. Yep. But those will reach in there and grab it if you can't muscle it off. Okay. So yeah, I'll drain the oil.
Yeah, go ahead and drain the oil first.
I'll drain the oil and drain this
Here's your oil filter wrench. If you've never seen one, that's it.
They got the band type too, but those are great.
Yeah, the bands are kind of hard to get on sometimes. If you have a really accessible filter, you can use those.
Yeah.
All right, so what I'm doing, guys, is your oil fill. Go ahead and take that out. And actually, before you do that, clean off the leaves and shit. Don't leave that. Leave the leaves. Put that where it won't fall. Steven just dumped the oil, but while you're dumping the oil, go ahead and take the cap off. Sorry, there's not really much of light right where we're at. Hang on. Maybe that help. Take the cap off. Set that wherever you need to. It takes 7 quarts to fill up the 5.7 liter.
6.9.
6.9 says Google. I'm going 7 because
you can.
I mean, they couldn't just like drill out.
It's heaven.
Yeah. Go ahead, Boomhauer. I'm just kidding.
Gotta shit it when it hit me one more. We having a good time.
This truck hasn't been clean in a year.
Yeah, man, green beans painted under the hood in this thing.
I've only put 6,000 miles on it since I bought it 2 years ago.
I tell you what, I tell you this right now. Whoever put this oil filter on, perfect.
That was you.
Oh.
That was you precisely a year ago.
Well, it's just like I like them.
That's good.
No tools needed.
Alright, guys. Here's a funnel that I'm going to use. A little small cheapo. You more than likely don't even need a funnel, but you know, it is what it is. But just make sure you clean it out. Should have wiped that off before I did that, but it'll be fine. So yeah, clean your filter out. Alright, I'm sorry. This is a funnel. I'll get my vocabulary right eventually. And then just plop that right in there, just like that. Is she blowing?
Yeah. Absolute disregard for this YouTube channel. We get no respect
around here. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, we exhausted from this mess.
You probably can't hear it in the background, but if you can, Steven's wife is leaf blowing because it's fall and the leaves are falling. Are you done down there, or what you got?
Done.
Okay, okay, so I can go ahead and start filming. Yes, sir. All right. Communication's key if you're doing this with 2 people.
It is.
Ladies and gentlemen, communication's key because you don't want to throw this $100 mess right on the ground.
Yeah.
Because it's high.
Super high. We ain't made of money.
Yeah. I'm not a amsoil dealer, nor do I intend on being one, nor do I have one at my disposal where I can get it cheaper. But I do buy enough to where I am a preferred member. So
oh yeah.
That is a good buy. So that's one. Let that drain.
Oh, it's already at the bottom, bro.
Oh yeah.
I'm listening to it.
It's 5W20, so she little bit heavier than water.
I'm just wiping off all this crap because the oil filter is like stuffed in this hole, so.
Oh, I bet.
Everything gets.
Yeah. Oily.
Yeah. I didn't do as bad as I did the other time, though.
Oh yeah, you made a mess last time.
Yeah.
I remember that.
I dropped it last time.
Yeah. Alright, so there's one in the bucket. And basically you just do that 6 more times till you get 7 quarts, or 6.9 quarts, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I want to be politically correct.
That way the film that's in the bottle, you can leave it.
You don't have to physically drain the film out.
Right. Yeah, I'll take the film and put it in my lawnmower. That's how you do it, man.
Put it in the gas so it burns.
Nah, not in the gas. Put that in the
film
case, man. You want that amsoil to be in there rubbing stuff.
Well, you want to rub the exhaust port on the way out.
Yeah. Clean the valves. I've checked the drain plug 3 times. It is tight.
You checked the drain plug 3 times?
It is tight.
She good. I say there's a few little drips for Stephen. You'll be much appreciated. Appreciative. That's the word.
Much appreciated.
Yeah. Whatever the words are. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Final quart.
The grand finale.
This is the 6.9 quart. I'm going to put exactly 6.9 quarts in it. Precisely.
Yeah, leave the film. Don't let the film fall out.
Let me catch the film. There it is. There's the 10% that I'm not supposed to have.
You got it.
All right. It's a little bit of a stretch, so if you're short, get a little stool or something. I wiped out your Diva cup.
Oh yeah. Like a Jiffy Lube out here.
We're on exactly to what, take 5, where you can sit in your truck and they change it.
Yeah, we ain't got a pit.
That would be nice.
I'd like to have a pit.
Can't even notice the 10%. All right, guys. So oil's in, filter changed, drain plug tight.
Now his responsibility is to reset the oil light.
Let's reset this oil light. So you just come right up on in here, and you don't need to worry about the brake. Just turn your accessory key to, let me get over here, run, and I'm gonna actually get in here so we can see it and block the sun a little bit. Turn down that copyright. I'm gonna shut the door. Don't worry about that low fuel light, because if you got a Ram, you understand. So you go to your little truck icon, just use your up down arrows as you would, scroll over to your oil life, and then just press and hold the right arrow key to reset. You want to reset, absolutely. Well, I did it. I did it twice. I'm gonna cut it off and then cut it back on. Let's try that. See what happens. Yeah, no low fuel. Huh? Didn't reset. Hold to reset. Confirm reset. Press. Okay. Maybe I held it or something. I don't know. But you just quick press to reset it. That's a little troubleshooting and on the fly. So, all right, that's how you change your oil in a 5.7 liter. Really anything. You can do it a Jeep or a truck or whatever. But let's start her up actually, even though we ain't got that much fuel. So yeah, that's it. 143. Hang on. See if I can get you in there better. 143,000 miles. Almost 144. Might as well just say 144 this one. So yeah, that's it. That's the Grinch. See y'all later. Keep between the ditches. I'm Brandon, and we out.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone?